Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm wearing a new hat, as you can probably tell. My birthday is mid-July, gift from my mom. Thanks Mom, appreciate it, love you. Please excuse the background noise. There is a school nearby. I'm just at a little wooded area kind of next to it. I didn't want to go all the way out in National Forest today. So, it is what it is. I want to talk about dryer lint today. A lot of comments I see about dryer lint is it has to be 100% cotton. So, personally I say bollocks. So what I want to do is come out today and test my dryer lint from my own dryer, naturally. I'm going to go over real quick the materials that I wash and dry. So we'll do that right now. So I have cotton towels. I have REI wool socks, which I only wear wool now. I don't wear anything else. I don't wear cotton. Okay, so these green t-shirts that I wear, I do not dry. But the reason I wear them is because they're 100% polyester and they dry fast, unlike cotton. And I just hang these up to dry. Now these 511 pants that I always wear are 65% polyester and 35% cotton, which I do run these through the dryer. And then there are my cotton t-shirts, which I will throw these into the dryer. Okay, so there's that. So the only thing I didn't show was the camel print thongs, because, you know, bushcrafty. So I left those out, but they're 100% polyester too. So I just didn't show those. Probably no one wants to see the horror. Like, oh God. Alright, so let's jump right into dryer lint. Okay, so here's today's little fire kit. It's basically my old fire kit bag. All I brought was a lighter with some tinder at the bottom, pocket bellows, which I probably won't even need, and a ferro rod, and that's it. So let's not even waste time. So here's my dryer lint. Some of this is probably towels. Some of it might be wool. We're just going to do a few piles. Gotta see how well it burns. First strike. Caught right on fire. Voila. Now what did I do with it? I'm gonna go grab something, but I'm gonna let those burn in real time so you can keep an eye on it. Forgot I left my knife sitting over in a stump. So we're just gonna I got the coating on the knife, I forgot. Just on the very edge. So I'm going to use the very end of the knife, which I hated to do that, but I forgot about the coating. This is a little Becker I've had for a while. I just threw a bootlace on there. So, there we have it. I'd say it burned pretty well. Now I'm going to go do is I'm going to go grab a few sticks and twigs. That's interesting. You can see that there's still, it only burned the surface but not the bottom. Maybe I needed to fluff it up a bit more. But that's alright, because I'm going to go grab a few twigs and let's see if I can at least get some twigs going. So I'm going to go get that. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got some twigs. And I'm not making a big fire because it's been very dry. And I don't want to start a fire out here, a big fire. But I've got some, you know, fairly decent sized twigs, which I'm going to put on here. I want to see if I can get a little blaze going. But I got a whole thing of water here just in case things get a little out of hand, which I'm not predicting that they will, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So we're gonna hit this with the ferro rod. And then we're gonna put the sticks to it. Whew, and smoke right at me. So that's all the biggest I'm gonna make it. But as you can see, it's definitely making a fire. I could continually add more fuel to that and build up a blaze. But I did just kind of throw it on there too, but I'm confident I could keep that going. So there you have it. Dryer lint fire. I probably just didn't fluff these up enough, but I'd say that was a success. That's with the materials I talked about. So no, I don't think it has to be 100% cotton. I think it could be, you know, a few other things. You know, maybe wool doesn't produce as much lint, or the pants that I'm currently wearing aren't producing as much lint, but as you can see, I do have a flame going with just dryer lint, which was free. I mean, you can just pull it out of your dryer. You can always do things like you could add stuff to it. You could, man, the sky's the limit really, with, you know, a little bit of Vaseline. But I'm pretty happy with that test. I think that was I think that demonstrates a good material that costs you nothing. So, and as you saw earlier, I used a Bic lighter to get that going. So, or get one of those piles going. So, even which is a simple lighter flame. So, I think that makes a good test. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. I will catch you in the next video. Have a good one.